Hey Raheem, this is your Facebook page. Looks nice. Looks like you got quite a few people that follow and check in. That's good. And you got everything up here. Was able to find your Facebook page your website from there. Looks like you don't have all that much content word-wise on here. Checking word counter said you have 517 words. You probably want to bump that up to 1,500, or the more you have, the better. Content is king for Google. Google loves its content, as well as you can put keywords within that content. It says it's loading. I don't know if there's more that I'm not seeing or not, but I only saw 517 words. Let's see what you have your images saved as. Yeah, you'd want to go in here and you'd want to resave all your images with keyword specific words, because no one's going to be Googling this. And if you save it as flooring, Houston, Texas, you'll get that as a keyword for your website. A tool I like to use is Ahrefs. You probably know this because looking at you on Ahrefs, you got quite a few backlinks and referring domains. Looks like you started doing that in July or June, and you got 1,100 keywords here. UUR and DR, they could be better. You probably have some spammy backlinks in here that you'd probably want to go and disavow. You can go in with Ahrefs, you can go in here and check and look for them and find the ones, you obviously want to keep those ones. But, if you find some zeros, low numbers, you'd want to get rid of them. You can also see what keywords you're ranking for in here and where you're at for all your keywords, which is nice. You can also see the volume and the KD. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for them. But I went to Google, searched flooring Houston, Texas, and came up with this competitor. I looked at his website. He also doesn't have much content. He only has 235 words, so he needs to add some more. But it's good for you because you don't have to worry about that as much. See what his image is saved as. You'll notice his image is saved with the keyword Houston flooring, warehouse, carpet, tile, hardwood. Put some extra stuff there, but he's got Houston flooring in there and all that. So he does save his images the right way. Throwing him into Ahrefs. Meant to be back at the homepage, but or overview. You can see he's got a ton of backlinks and referring domains, so it's going to take some time to catch him, but you can do that. His UR and DR are both a lot higher as well. DR is not as much, but UR for sure. You can go in here, you can copy his backlinks, and not all backlinks are the same, so you want to get the the good ones, the high ones. You don't want twos, you don't want zeros, you don't want ones or threes. You don't want spammy backlinks either. Then you can go check his keywords, see what he's ranking for. And these high KDs, that's gonna be really hard to rank for. He shot up in that one, so he must have done a ton of work to get to position 2 there. But it's got 61 KD, so it takes time. I'm not sure how he shot up that much. He must have put a lot of work, spent a lot of money to shoot up that much. But you can see, all these KDs, they're high. Here's a lower one, wood flooring Houston. You go for that one, 250 search volume. It'd take you a little bit to get 13 KD, but you can do it. It won't be too difficult. A lot easier than these 30s, 57s. You can get them. It just it's costs a lot, and it takes a lot of time to get those. But you can come down here. 13 there, 12. These zeros super easy to get. Inner ceramics, Houston. You want to also make sure that you're location specific, unless you want to be nationally nationwide keywords. Generally those would be e-commerce. But if you're selling, flooring throughout all of the United States, then yeah, go for those nationwide keywords as well as the location-specific ones. And then the Google Map Pack. I didn't find you guys on there. You probably have one, but I didn't find you in here. If you don't have one, they're free to make. I would definitely suggest making one. A lot of people go there on there and go to websites and call people from there. You can go to whitespark.ca. Top guy in there has 20 citations. I didn't take Home Depot. They probably have a ton more citations. This guy was outranking them for some reason. That might have just been a flaw. Anyways, you can come in here. Then you can grab this guy's citations. You can do the same for Home Depot and wherever. And, you beat him. Definitely get 100 or 200. Just takes time. Easy to do. A lot of them are free. Some cost money, but, you can Google and get all the free ones. It's pretty easy. It just takes time. But yeah. So you're welcome to take any of those tips or whatever you want from that, and use it however you want. If you want, we can set up a Zoom to talk more. But if not, that's okay as well. I hope you have a good rest of your day.